Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to day 2 in my spring cleaning series. If you missed yesterday's clean with me, make sure you check that one out. I'm deep cleaning my apartment kitchen, and today I am cleaning the bathroom, and OMG guys, what a mess it is. I honestly can't believe I'm showing you this. I'm going to go through every single drawer and decluttering, deep cleaning. So if you're looking for some cleaning motivation with some awesome music, grab your coffee and let's get started. My floors were a mess from when I washed my hair the previous day, so I'm just starting off by washing the floor mats and vacuuming to get the debris picked up. My main goal for the cabinets is to declutter. I have so many products that are either expired or I don't use, and there's no use in having things that just take up so much space. Like I said in yesterday's video, I'm using the Method disinfecting spray as my main cleaner. I'll be using it the whole entire week, and I'm using it on absolutely everything. I find myself doing this once a week anyways, but now I find myself doing it like every single night.
I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you.
A deep clean is the perfect time to clean off your hairbrushes and combs. Use some soap and water and remove as much product buildup as you can. I even clean off clips and hair ties if I can, and I like to wipe down my foundations and skincare items as I feel like those can get super dirty really quickly.
You long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you. You made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you. You made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately. Taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted. Thinking about us turning to
This is my main cabinet, and it just tracks dirt and oil from all of my hair products that I use pretty much on a daily basis. These shelf liners are from Target. I think you can get them at the dollar store as well, and they're amazing. I use them in the kitchen, in the bathroom especially, to prevent any products from leaving marks. And since I'm in an apartment, I don't want to be left with any fees, so your girl gotta protect what she has.
Is this really what you want? And I'ma get out. I wonder what will happen to us. Yeah, will we be friends or strangers? Feeling left out, losing our time. I miss how you make me laugh, how you make me lose my mind. You make my life every day. You said that I already know it better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out.
have a shower caddy or an everyday caddy like I do, make sure you wipe these down as well. Mine had toothpaste and skincare product all over it.
Day by day, same apartment, different place. Will I ever be the same? You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? And I'ma get out of your way.
Now onto my makeup storage. I purchased these from Walmart quite some time ago. They're not the most attractive thing, but hey, they work. I'm going through each shelf, spraying with disinfectant spray and letting it sit for a little bit while I go clean off each product. And you never really realize how dirty your makeup is until you clean it. So gross.
I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go on my night.
The over the toilet cabinet is where the medicine and feminine care cotton balls are. I'm removing any expired products and reorganizing the white containers. The bottom shelf will be for items I reach for most often, such as medicine and vitamins. The middle shelf will be for feminine care, and the top is for travel and miscellaneous items. So since I'm not going to be traveling anytime soon, sticking those bad boys at the top.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah.
I honestly love this squeegee I purchased from the dollar store. It just makes your windows and your mirrors streak free, which is honestly perfection.
You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
I'm also spraying down the counters and letting the disinfectant sit for about 5 or 10 minutes while I work on the shower. And here I'm doing the same thing with the shower cleaner. Multitasking will be your best friend if you want to clean super fast.
Peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You only call me on the weekends, when you're out and about, only chasing highs, you need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. In my mind now, the queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better.
Cleaning the toilets with the Clorox pads. I think I talked about this in my last bathroom clean with me. Love these guys. They honestly clean so well, and they're disposable, so you don't have to worry about that disgusting wand in your bathroom. I have nightmares about that old wand. Yuck.
When you're out and about, tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good loving, something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. What I want, speak in my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better.
My last step of the night is to do one final vacuum, and then I'm mopping with my Mr. Clean all-purpose cleaner. And this is like the icing on the cake, you guys. I forget what scent it is, but it makes your whole bathroom just feel clean. Like, you know what I mean? It's so good. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification bell so you don't miss tomorrow's clean with me. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.